If you've ever tried manifestation before and you felt as though nothing was happening, it's not because it doesn't work. It's because people are not focusing on the whole process and they're only focusing on one or a few of the steps. Today, I'm breaking down the 3 pillars of manifestation: clarity, alignment, and action. That way you can start seeing real results in your life and you can start manifesting what you truly want. If you're new here, hi, I'm Seppi and I help you discover what you truly want in life, and I teach you how to manifest your dreams through small, simple, and manageable steps. The first pillar of manifestation is clarity. The universe and your mind need to have clear instructions and need to know exactly what you want to be able to guide you to it. If you're vague, your results are going to be vague. Most people will say, I want success, I want love, I want more money. But what does that actually mean to you? What are the specific of those things that you truly want? If you want to get clarity on what you want, here are a few things that you can do. Define your desires clearly. Instead of, I want more money, say, I want to earn $10,000 per month doing work that I love and that makes me feel fulfilled. Instead of, I want love, say, I want a deeply fulfilling relationship where I feel loved, supported, valued, where we can enjoy life together. You have to tap into the emotions and the feelings and the clear vision behind your desires and focus on describing them very clearly. That way the universe and your subconscious mind will know how to guide you to get to it. To keep refining the vision of what you really want, you can use scripting or journaling to help you. Every morning, for example, you can write, I am so happy and grateful now that I have, and describe your desire in as much detail as possible. Describe how it feels, what it looks like, what are the details of it, why it excites you, why do you even want this, and get specific on the details, the nitty-gritty of your vision. The clearer you are, the easier it will be for the universe and your subconscious mind to guide you to it. Create a good old vision board. Now, there's a reason that people talk about a vision board. It's because it works, but you have to do it the right way and you can't do it alone. You have to do it using other manifestation techniques as well. So to create a vision board, you can do it very easily. You can just go on Pinterest, create a vision board, and start adding images of the things that you want to create and that evoke a strong emotion for you. So it doesn't only have to be a specific thing like going on a specific vacation, going to Paris, a specific purse you might want. It's also about the aesthetic, the vibe, the energy. The images have to reflect the thing that you want. So it can be beautiful pictures of a living room. It can be pictures of flowers. It has to match the vibe and the energy of what you want. To get clear on what you want, you can also use visualization techniques. 5 to 10 minutes every morning or in the evening right before bed, sit down and start to envision what you're trying to create, what you really want. If it's a relationship you want, envision what is this person that you want to be a partner with? Who do you have to be in that relationship? How would you feel in that relationship? Start playing out different scenarios of going on a date night, how you're going to share your life together, how you support each other, how you have fun together. Start envisioning in your mind's eye what you want in your life and how you want to create it. And that way you can start embodying the emotions and the sensations of who you need to be able to attract that. When you get clear on exactly what you want, you're going to give your mind and the universe a roadmap to be able to follow to get you there. You don't attract what you want, you attract who you are. If you want confidence, success, fulfillment, abundance, you have to embody that energy now. You have to become the version of you that is living your desires right now in your current reality. That way you can become an energetic match to your dream life, to the ideal version of you that is living the reality that you want. Here are a few practices to help you do that. Identity work is about redefining who you are to become the ideal version of yourself right now that is living the life that you desire. So ask yourself questions like, how would the version of me who already has this think, feel, and act? In any given moment, ask yourself, how would the ideal version of myself react to this? What decision or choice would the ideal version of myself make at this point? If you want to manifest success or abundance, show up as the successful and abundant version of yourself right now. If you want to attract love and a happy relationship, embody that self-love right now. Treat yourself the way that you would want someone else to treat you. Become the person you need to be in that happy and healthy relationship. Another part of identity work and reframing yourself into becoming the version of yourself that is living your desires is rewriting your limiting beliefs and your thoughts and repeating them to yourself every single day. Instead of thoughts like, I'm not good at making money, flip it around and tell yourself, I'm constantly attracting financial opportunities, or money is easily flowing to me every single day. Start paying attention to your dominant thoughts and beliefs, and pay attention to the ones that are not serving your higher purpose, your higher goal, your higher desire, and try to flip them around and make them more empowering, inspiring thoughts and beliefs that you can repeat to yourself as affirmation. In my last video, we talked about the importance of your energy and the vibration you're in. That way you can be an energetic match to your desires. So here are a few things that you can do to become an energetic match to your desire. Gratitude. I know everyone talks about it, but there's a reason for it, because it can really shift your energy and your vibration. So start every single day with thinking or writing about 3 things you're grateful for, and really digging deep and focusing on why are you grateful for these things? What are the benefits and the good things that it's bringing into your life? Another easy and quick way that you can shift your energy and your vibration is through movement. You can walk, dance, work out, show up and stand as the ideal and the future version of yourself that is living your dream life. Another way to regulate your energy and your emotions are through your habits and routine. Start your day and end your day the way that you would if you were living your ideal life, the way that you would live your dream life. Have the morning routine of someone that is living your desires. When you start being and showing up as the person who has everything that you want, manifestation becomes inevitable, because you're going to be an energetic match to your desire. The third pillar of manifestation is taking action. You have to move towards your desires, because it's not just about thinking, it's about the aligned action you're taking every single day through your thoughts, your emotions, your habits, your routines, your choices, your behaviors, to take aligned action to match up to your desires. You have to remember that you are co-creating with the universe. It's not just about positive thinking and universe is going to deliver your manifestations. It's about the aligned action you're going to take every single day to be able to bring in. You are co-creating with the universe. Universe is always conspiring to help you, support you to bring a manifestation to life. That's why pillar number 1, getting clear on what you want, is so important. But the next thing that is also just as important is for you to take aligned action. That way universe can match up your energy, your action, and the efforts you're taking towards building your dream life. The universe will meet you halfway, but you have to start taking the first steps. You have to take aligned action towards bringing your desires into reality. So here are a few things that you can do to start taking aligned action today. Your intuition is always guiding you, whether you are paying attention to it or not. So start paying attention to your intuition. Start paying attention to those nudges, those little aha or pings that you're feeling throughout the day, and start taking action towards it. Even if it's something like get up and go for a walk, get up and go for a walk. Stop second guessing it and just do it, and take aligned action right away. These gut feelings, these random ideas, these coincidences, they will often lead you towards opportunities. It's universe guiding you towards taking aligned action and aligning with your desires. If you want to manifest something, start taking small intentional steps every single day. If you want a new job, if you want a dream job, apply every single day. Figure out the small steps that you have to take towards getting that dream job. Updating your resume, creating a LinkedIn profile, reaching out to your network, making a list of companies that you'd love to work for and seeing if they have any job opportunities and applying to them when one comes up. Take aligned actions every single day, even if it's in a small micro step. Those steps will add up with time and lead you towards your dream life. Another huge mistake that people make when it comes to manifestation is that they want to control the how and the when. What you need to focus on is to remain clear on your vision, taking inspired action, and getting into an energetic alignment with that vision, and letting things flow, surrendering to the journey, and trusting that you're going to be guided at the right time towards your desires. Trust that the right things are going to unfold with time for you. Like I said before, manifestation is you co-creating your desires with the universe. You don't just ask, you show up and meet the universe halfway, and you also have to wait for the perfect timing for things to fall into place. So if you want to start manifesting today, you have to implement the 3 pillars. Get clear on what you want, that way the universe and your subconscious mind can guide you every step of the way. Embody the energy, the mindset, and the habits of the version of you that is living that dream life. And you have to move towards your desires and vision with small, inspired, aligned steps. Which of these action steps will you start implementing in your life today? Let me know in the comments below. In my next video, I'll break down 12 powerful manifestation techniques. So if you want to learn how to implement manifestation techniques in your daily life, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.